Okay, so this time we're looking at a form to input the information about villains. Now I've already set up my villains table and it has two fields. It has three fields. It has a number, which I've set as an auto number, which you don't need to see. Let me show you that. Design view. Yep. Okay, so I've got an auto number giving me a primary number, that unique field, and I've got the villain's name and I've got the Bond film. Okay, so here's my form. So you think I should then add the field from the right hand side, Bond film. Okay, so I could add that, but then the user would have to manually enter the Bond film. We have a list of Bond films sitting here, so surely there must be some way that I can use that information, and I can. I'm going to leave that there for a minute. I'm going to go back and get a combo box again. I'm going to place my combo box there, move this across. So I want to get the values. I want to basically get a list of those Bond films that already appear in sheet 1. So this time I'm going to click that as an option, click next. It does appear in sheet 1, click next again, and there it is. There's my list of films. So now when I click that over and I go next, I can order the films. That might be useful. So I can put them in some sort of order, alphabetical, sorry. I click next. There are my all my films being put in order for me, and I now click finish. Okay, so I can delete that. I don't need that. Let's delete that one as well. Let's pop that, move that into so it's in a better position. And of course, like my other forms, I can make fancy forms and make them a little bit better. Just going to make that a little bit smaller. Okay, and do a save, and let's go and have a look at that. There we go. So I could type in the villain's name. So I know one of the villains in a Bond film is Ernst Blofeld, and I could then find the film that he's in. I think he's in Dr. No, I think, I'm not certain. You can find all this information out, but I would type him in, put that information in, and then all that information would then feed into my table. And this is a better way of inputting data, and it's a quicker way by adding that feature.